Dear students, today we are going to solve the exercise work of chapter 5 of class 5. The chapter is I float my paper boats. Let's start. Number 1. Answer the following questions. A. What does the child float? When does the child float the boats? Answer. The child floats the boat day by day. B. Where does the child float the boats? Answer. The child floats the boats in the running stream. C. What does the child load on boats? On the boats. Answer. The child loads shively flowers on the boats. What does the child hope? The child hopes that someone in a strange land will find his boats. From where does the child collect flowers? Answer. The child collects flowers from his garden. Now we should come to question number 2. Question number 2 says, cross the wrong options. Two options are given in the sentence. You have to cross the wrong option and write the sentence choosing the right answer. The child floats paper wooden boats. Wooden is wrong answer. So the sentence is the child floats paper boats. B. He writes his name in red black letters. Red is wrong. Correct answer will be he writes his name in black letters. C. He floats his boats in the stream river. River is wrong answer. So sentence he floats his boats in the stream. D. The child writes the name of his village town. Town is wrong answer. So sentence is formed like this. The child writes the name of his village. Next question E. The child brings flowers from the market garden. Market is wrong answer. So sentence is the child brings flowers from the garden. He wants to make friend enemy by flowers. Enemy is wrong answer. Cut the enemy and write he wants to make friend by flowers. The child collects sunflowers. Sun is the wrong answer. So the right answer is the child collects flowers. Now next question. Next question is fill in the blanks with suitable words. The child floats paper boats in the running stream. Answer is paper boats and running stream and paper. He writes his name in black letters. Black is right answer. He also writes the name of his village. Here village is the answer. The child hopes that a person will find it in a strange land. Answer is land. He loads shively flowers on his little boats. Answer is shively and boats. The child collects the flower from the garden. Answer is garden. You can also say there is summary of the poem in this fill in the blanks and you can understand the poem easily by reading this. Match column A and column B. Column A is written in black letters and B in red letters and answer is now in front of you. Paper boats, running stream, black letters, strange land, shively flowers. These all terms have been used in the poem. On the basis of that poem, this column has been matched. Now question number 5. Write rhyming words in the boxes. clue is given here, and on the basis of clue you have to write the answer in the box. A tablet or medicine we swallow, its answer is pill. Cause the death of someone, answer is kill. A factory containing machines, answer is mill. To put things into a container, answer is fill. So pill, kill, mill, fill, these all are rhyming words. There is one more box like this. A person does not come on time, answer late. We see it in a calendar, answer date. A companion or friend, answer mate. Food is kept in it, answer plate. So late, date, mate, plate, these all are rhyming words. Next question. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. 2 words have been given at the end of each sentence, and we have to choose one which is the right. Both words are pronounced same, but spelling is different, so we have to choose the correct spelling. That road is not wide. Road, R-O-A-D. Saurabh won the prize. Won, W-O-N. They have not seen the Taj Mahal so far. Seen, S-E-E-N. Something is better than nothing. Some, S-O-M-E. The driver hurt his hand in an accident. Hurt, H-U-R-T. My friend will stay with me for a week. Week, W-E-E-K. This year flood destroyed many villages. Flood, F-L-O-O-D. He was happy to get a seat near the window. S-E-A-T. The tire of his bicycle was new. T-Y-R-E, tire. He applied in the bank for a loan. Loan, L-O-A-N. Now question number 7, and which is also the last question of this chapter. This question says, write the opposites of these words from the poem. We have to choose opposite words from the poem. Opposite words of these words have been used in the poem, and from there we have chosen the answer and written here. Night, opposite is day. Up, down. White, black. Despair, hope. No one, someone. None, strange. Unload, load. Those, these. Dusk, down. Wrong, right. Today we completed the practice work or exercise work of I float my paper boats. That's all. Thank you.